Hello motorcycle lovers, welcome to ASSD Vehicle. This time we will discuss the Aprilia Tuono 4572026. Let's go straight to the video. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono 457 is the latest addition to Aprilia's proud Tuono lineup, a name synonymous with high-performance naked sport bikes derived from their fared RS Super Sport siblings. This model builds directly on the success of the Aprilia RS 457, unveiled in 2023, which itself aimed to bring MotoGP-inspired technology and spirit into an accessible, mid-capacity platform. Where the RS 457 targeted entry-level and A2 licensed riders wanting a full-faring sports machine, the Tuono 457 translates that recipe into a more upright, street-friendly naked bike, retaining the dynamic DNA but offering everyday comfort and versatility. Engine and performance compact yet charismatic. At its heart is a 457 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, featuring a 270-degree crankshaft. This firing order gives it a raspy, almost V-twin-like exhaust note and delivers lively torque with a touch of mechanical character, something enthusiasts often crave over the generic buzz of typical small twins. Right arrow's key performance specs. Max power, 47.6 HP, 35 kilowatts, at 9,400 RPM. Torque, 32 lb-ft, 43 Newton meters, at 6,700 RPM. Redline, around 11,000 RPM. Ride-by-wire throttle enables smooth delivery and precise control. Because it sits just below the European A2 license limit, it is perfectly positioned for newer riders in Europe and other markets that follow similar tiered licensing. Yet it still has enough top end to satisfy seasoned riders looking for a fun, lightweight alternative. Interestingly, Aprilia engineered this engine to deliver 82% of peak torque as early as 3,000 RPM, ensuring snappy response in urban traffic and on twisty backroads. Chassis and handling, the big differentiator. Where the Tuono 457 truly shines is in its chassis. Unlike many rivals in the sub-500cc category that use steel trellis or backbone frames, Aprilia gives the Tuono a twin-spar aluminum frame, inspired by its larger RS V4 and Tuono V4 superbikes. This construction offers superb rigidity, lower weight, and a direct, communicative feel. While damping isn't adjustable, the setup is tuned for both city bumps and spirited canyon riding. Riders and reviewers often describe it as giving a big bike feel, with impressive composure and stability, especially for this engine class. Technology and rider interface. 5-inch full-color TFT dash, with multiple layouts and possibly smartphone connectivity, depending on region. Backlit switchgear, another premium touch unusual for an entry bike. Lighting is all LED, styled aggressively like the bigger Tuono 660 and V4. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono 457 is arguably one of the most technically sophisticated and stylish bikes in the A2/entry-level naked category. With its premium aluminum chassis, lively 270-degree twin, modern electronics, TFT, TC, ride modes, ABS options, and distinctive Italian styling, it offers an ownership experience that feels a notch above its direct competitors. Yes, it comes at a slightly higher price, US $6,599 starting MSRP, but for riders who value pedigree, excitement, and a chassis built to handle far more power than it has, it's a compelling new benchmark in this segment.